Course creation secrets. Free webinar. I wish someone had shown me how successful creators build online courses before I searched for random free advice. That experience taught me that creating a profitable online course is about more than recording videos. If you're trying to sell your knowledge, you've probably struggled with pricing, marketing, and attracting students. Many creators build courses that never generate consistent sales. That's why I recommend the Course Secrets webinar. It introduces strategies for creating, launching, and marketing online courses using proven sales funnel concepts. You'll also discover how course creators attract leads, build email lists, and increase conversions. If you decide the full program is right for you, be sure to review the offer details, pricing, and guarantee before purchasing. Results depend on your effort and implementation. I'm Fidelis, and I help people discover digital marketing tools and affiliate opportunities. If you'd like to learn more, click the first link in the description to get started.